Let me close today's session by thanking everybody, a very large number of people who've contributed. So first, I want to thank all of the speakers for for contributing to the Protein Data Bank over the many years of your careers here at Rutgers and in other places, and for giving us such an interesting perspective on the various ways that structural biologists have impacted our understanding of fundamental biology, energy sciences, biomedicine, and the PDB. I want to thank the participants who came out in force today to support their colleagues, and the small number of participants who came in from outside Rutgers. Behind the scenes, a significant number of people helped with the logistics, including Christine Zardecki, Maria Voigt, Shamara Whetstone, Michelle Sangera, and Steve Odinsky. The PDB would not be here, of course, without money from the taxpayers funneled through the NSF, the NIH, DOE, and we recently received a contribution from the Rutgers Cancer Institute of New Jersey that we're very grateful for. We would also be nowhere without the facilities that our host institutions provide us here at Rutgers, in the Institute for Quantitative Biomedicine, at UCSD in the San Diego Supercomputer Center, and at the University of California, San Francisco. And I also need to thank the sponsors of PDB 50, who are shown on this slide. Various pharmaceutical companies and equipment makers were kind enough, generous enough to make contributions to ensure that over the course of 2021, we would be able to have a robust series of celebrations, scientific around the world, marking the enormous contributions that were set in motion by a small number of activists in 1971 who saw the light long before fair and fact and trust and open access were even being discussed. You can continue the celebration with us 3 more times over the coming weeks and until the end of November. On the afternoon of Thursday, November 4th, we'll be hosting Greg Petsko from Harvard Medical School, presenting a special PDB 50 lecture on structural enzymology. And then on November 16 and 18, there'll be 2 sessions co-sponsored with the Royal Society of Chemistry and our Protein Data Bank Europe colleagues, who'll be providing training on the use of PDB data, how to deposit data to the PDB, and then how to validate and visualize the structures. And at the end of the session on November 18th, the director of PDBE and I will talk about where we think structural biology is going from the standpoint of data archiving and data science. And then finally, on the 24th of November, our colleagues at Protein Data Bank Japan at Osaka University will be hosting a satellite symposium to the Biophysical Society of Japan, and that will be taking place at about midnight on the evening before Thanksgiving, the Thanksgiving holiday. So I will close with another plea for qualified applicants to come and join the RCSB PDB team, either at Rutgers or at UC San Diego. It's a great place to work, and the mission is one of great importance and great impact. So with that, I want to thank you all once again, and wish you a good night. And I look forward to seeing all of you in person as the pandemic begins to permit. Good luck, be safe, and if you have not already received vaccinations, please do so if you're medically eligible. And if you are eligible for either a third shot or a booster, I urge you to, as a clinician, to take advantage of those opportunities to protect yourself, your family, your community, and the global population. Good night, and good luck.